Hello there, it's MC. Let's talk about a very interesting character, 正. This character is not only a character, but also a calculating tool. Yes, you didn't hear it wrong. It is a calculating tool for doing math. Very handy and very easy. You will be able to use it after watching this video, so stick with me to the end. If you've been in China before or you have Chinese friends around you, you probably have seen this method. It is very common. Every Chinese should know about it. Let's get into it. The first thing first, let's look into the character itself. What's the meaning of the character 正? It's a very basic character. You should definitely be able to use it. There are so many different usages around it. The first meaning, it means straight versus a one with the angle, which is 斜. So 正 versus 斜. For example, 这幅画正了吗？还有一点斜，左边高一点。好了，正了。The second meaning, the front side or the right side. 正面还是反面？我猜正面。The third meaning, when it used to describe a person, it means the person is very decent, very honest, upright. For example, 他是一个正直的人。The fourth one, it presents is doing something. For example, 外面正在下雨。正在 So it is raining outside. 我正在吃饭。I am eating now. The last uses, this is very important because it will make you sound like a local right away. So pay attention. It means just or just about right, exactly, perfectly. For example, 这件衣服正合适 fits perfectly. Or if you can only remember one usage, please watch this. Hi, 吃了吗？哎，我正好在找你。Or, 喂，我正要给你打电话，你就打过来了。I was just about to call you. A fun fact here, this structure for making a call is really telling one's age versus this one. Hello, or hello. Anyway, if you wanted to know more about this character, visit my website. You can see all the HSK vocabularies and the related sentences, as well as relative characters based on the same components. Let's get into the second part. This is a very crucial one. Make sure you are paying attention and remember this part, because this part explains why this character can be used as a calculating tool. And only by remembering the character's stroke and the stroke orders, you are able to use it. So let's start with the strokes. 横竖横竖横1 2 3 4 5 So for a single character 正, it has 5 strokes, and the stroke order is 横竖横竖横. So remember this. Let's get into the last part, how and where to use it. By explaining how, let me show you some examples. So the first one, 5 and 15. How about this one? 10, 20, 25, 26, 27. So it's 27. See, this is easy, right? You can tell the numbers right away. Then where to use this method? Let me give you an example. In a classroom, there are about 35 people, and 2 people are competing the leader of the class. So the rest of people will need to vote for them. So they will write down the names of the person anonymously and vote for them. So by the end, a person needs to collect those votes. 张娜赵杰By the end, 赵杰 is 12. 张娜 is 10, 20, 21. So 张娜 is a winner. See, is it easy and handy? It can be also used for games or any other type situation you think it's the best practice. Use it to impress your friends next time. Or I'm very curious, is there a similar way in your culture to calculating, to collecting numbers? Comment below, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up. If you are watching all the way till here, don't hesitate to subscribe and open the bell so you won't miss any of my future videos. Also, check out these for Chinese fun facts that you probably don't know. Excited to see you next time. Later!